Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of radicals in chemistry. Radicals, sometimes called free radicals, are atoms, molecules, or ions that have unpaired electrons. This unique feature makes them highly reactive and central to many chemical processes. In this video, we'll explore what radicals are, how they form, and why they matter in both nature and industry. Let's start by understanding the basic definition and significance of radicals, setting the stage for a deeper exploration into their behavior and roles. Radical in chemistry is any species, be it an atom, molecule, or ion, that contains at least one unpaired electron. This unpaired electron is what gives radicals their characteristic reactivity. Unlike most stable molecules, which have paired electrons, radicals are always on the lookout for another electron to pair up with. This search for stability drives many important chemical reactions, making radicals key players in both organic and inorganic chemistry. Defining feature of a radical is its unpaired electron. Electrons usually exist in pairs within atomic or molecular orbitals, creating stability. However, when an electron is left alone unpaired, the species becomes a radical. This lone electron is highly reactive, seeking to pair up by reacting with other molecules or atoms. This reactivity is what makes radicals so important, and at times, so dangerous in chemical processes. Radicals can form in several ways. One common method is through the breaking of a covalent bond, where each atom takes one electron from the bond, resulting in two radicals. This process is called homolytic cleavage. Radicals can also form through photochemical reactions, where light energy breaks bonds, or through redox reactions, where electrons are transferred between species. Understanding how radicals form is crucial for controlling chemical reactions in the lab and in industry. Homolytic cleavage is a process where a covalent bond splits evenly, and each atom involved takes one electron from the bond. This results in the formation of two radicals. This type of bond breaking is common in organic chemistry, especially when molecules are exposed to heat or light. Homolytic cleavage is a key step in many radical reactions, such as those involved in polymerization or combustion. Light can also create radicals through photochemical reactions. When molecules absorb energy from light, their bonds can break, producing radicals. This process is essential in natural phenomena like photosynthesis and in industrial applications such as photopolymerization. The energy from light provides the necessary push to break bonds and generate these highly reactive species. Redox reactions, which involve the transfer of electrons between species, can also produce radicals. In these reactions, an electron is removed from or added to a molecule, creating a species with an unpaired electron. Redox-generated radicals play important roles in biological systems and in processes like corrosion and combustion. In organic chemistry, radicals are central to many reactions. They are involved in processes like halogenation, polymerization, and combustion. Organic radicals often form when carbon-containing molecules undergo homolytic cleavage, leading to chain reactions that can rapidly transform molecules. Understanding radicals is key to mastering organic reaction mechanisms. Halogenation is a classic example of a radical reaction in organic chemistry. In this process, a halogen molecule like chlorine or bromine splits into two radicals under the influence of light or heat. These halogen radicals then react with organic molecules, substituting hydrogen atoms and creating new compounds. This chain reaction is widely used in the chemical industry. Radicals are essential in polymerization, the process of creating large molecules from small monomers. In radical polymerization, an initiator forms a radical that reacts with a monomer, starting a chain reaction. This process is used to make plastics, rubbers, and many synthetic materials. The ability of radicals to propagate chain reactions makes them invaluable in materials science. Combustion, or burning, is another process where radicals play a crucial role. When a fuel burns, radicals are formed and drive the chain reactions that release energy. These reactions are responsible for the heat and light produced during combustion. Understanding the role of radicals in combustion helps us control fires and design efficient engines. Radicals aren't limited to organic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, radicals are involved in processes like the formation of ozone in the atmosphere and the degradation of pollutants. In these reactions, inorganic molecules or ions with unpaired electrons initiate or propagate chemical changes, often with significant environmental impacts. Ozone formation in the atmosphere is a classic example of radical chemistry. When ultraviolet light splits an oxygen molecule, it creates two oxygen radicals. These radicals then react with other oxygen molecules to form ozone. This process is vital for protecting life on Earth from harmful UV radiation. Radicals also help break down pollutants in the environment. For example, hydroxyl radicals in the atmosphere react with pollutants, breaking them into less harmful substances. This natural cleaning process is essential for maintaining air quality and reducing the impact of human activities on the environment. Radicals are not just found in chemistry labs, they also play important roles in living organisms. In biology, radicals are involved in processes like cellular respiration and immune defense. However, uncontrolled radical activity can damage cells, leading to aging and disease. Let's look at how radicals function in biological systems. During cellular respiration, radicals are produced as byproducts when cells generate energy. These radicals, such as superoxide, can be harmful if not controlled. Cells have evolved antioxidant systems to neutralize these radicals and protect themselves from damage. This balance is crucial for healthy cell function. Immune system uses radicals to fight off pathogens. White blood cells produce radicals like hydrogen peroxide to destroy bacteria and viruses. While effective, these radicals must be carefully controlled to avoid damaging healthy tissues. This dual role highlights the importance of radicals in both defense and potential harm. When the balance between radical production and antioxidant defenses is disrupted, oxidative stress occurs. This can lead to cell damage, aging, and diseases like cancer. Understanding oxidative stress is key to developing strategies for disease prevention and healthy aging. Antioxidants are molecules that neutralize radicals by donating electrons, preventing them from causing harm. Common antioxidants include vitamins C and E, as well as enzymes like superoxide dismutase. These molecules are vital for maintaining health and preventing radical-induced damage. Radicals are harnessed in industry for a variety of purposes. They are used in the production of polymers, the treatment of wastewater, and the synthesis of chemicals. By controlling radical reactions, industries can create materials with specific properties and improve environmental sustainability. In the polymer industry, radical polymerization is a cornerstone technique. By initiating chain reactions with radicals, manufacturers can produce plastics, resins, and fibers with tailored characteristics. This process is efficient and allows for the creation of a wide range of materials used in everyday life. Radicals are also used in advanced oxidation processes for wastewater treatment. Hydroxyl radicals, for example, can break down organic pollutants into harmless substances. This technology helps protect water resources and supports environmental sustainability. Radical reactions are valuable tools in chemical synthesis. They enable the creation of complex molecules that might be difficult to produce using other methods. By carefully controlling reaction conditions, chemists can use radicals to build pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, and specialty chemicals. While radicals are useful, they can also be dangerous. Their high reactivity means they can cause unwanted side reactions, leading to explosions or toxic byproducts. In biological systems, uncontrolled radicals can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, contributing to disease. To safely use radicals, chemists employ various strategies to control their reactivity. These include using inhibitors to stop unwanted reactions, carefully regulating temperature and light, and designing reaction vessels to contain radicals. Such measures are essential for safe laboratory and industrial practices. Detecting radicals can be challenging due to their short lifetimes. Techniques like electron spin resonance (ESR) spectroscopy are used to identify and study radicals. These methods allow scientists to observe radical behavior and understand their roles in chemical reactions. Not all radicals are equally reactive. Some, like methyl radicals, are highly unstable, while others, such as the benzyl radical, are stabilized by resonance. The stability of a radical depends on its structure and the presence of stabilizing groups. This affects how long a radical exists and how it reacts. Resonance stabilization occurs when the unpaired electron in a radical can be delocalized over several atoms. This spreading out of electron density makes the radical less reactive and more stable. Aromatic radicals like the benzyl radical are classic examples of resonance-stabilized species. Some radicals are unusually stable and can exist for long periods. These are called persistent radicals. Examples include nitroxide radicals, which are used as spin labels in biochemical research. Persistent radicals have unique properties that make them valuable in scientific studies. Most radicals are highly reactive and exist only for fractions of a second. These short-lived radicals are responsible for initiating and propagating rapid chemical reactions. Their fleeting existence makes them challenging to study, but also crucial for driving many important processes. Radicals are famous for their ability to initiate chain reactions. In these processes, one radical reacts to form another, propagating the reaction. Chain reactions are central to many industrial and natural processes, including polymerization and combustion. Typical radical chain reaction has 3 stages: initiation, propagation, and termination. Initiation generates the first radicals, propagation involves radicals reacting to form new radicals, and termination occurs when 2 radicals combine, ending the chain. Understanding these steps is key to controlling radical reactions. The initiation step is where radicals are first formed, often by breaking a bond with heat or light. This step is crucial because it sets the chain reaction in motion. Without initiation, the radical process cannot begin. During propagation, the radical formed in initiation reacts with another molecule, creating a new radical. This process repeats, allowing the reaction to continue and build up products. Propagation is the heart of the chain reaction, driving it forward. Termination occurs when 2 radicals combine, forming a stable molecule and ending the chain reaction. This step is important for controlling the extent of the reaction and preventing runaway processes. Termination ensures that radical reactions don't go on indefinitely. Radicals are often represented in chemical equations with a dot next to the symbol, indicating the unpaired electron. For example, the hydroxyl radical is written as O, This notation helps chemists quickly identify radical species in reactions. Some common radicals include the hydroxyl radical O, methyl radical CH3, and superoxide O2-. Each has unique properties and roles in chemical and biological processes. Recognizing these radicals is important for understanding their impact. Radicals can have significant environmental impacts. For example, chlorofluorocarbon CFC radicals contribute to ozone depletion while hydroxyl radicals help clean the atmosphere. Understanding these effects is vital for environmental protection and policy. Radicals are present in many aspects of daily life. From the browning of fruit to the action of cleaning agents, radical chemistry is at work. Even our bodies rely on radicals for essential processes, though balance is key to avoiding harm. The accumulation of radical-induced damage over time is linked to aging. Free radicals can damage DNA, proteins, and lipids, contributing to the aging process. Antioxidants in our diet help counteract these effects and promote healthy aging. In medicine, radicals are both a challenge and a tool. While excess radicals can cause disease, controlled radical reactions are used in treatments like radiation therapy for cancer. Understanding radical chemistry is helping scientists develop new medical technologies. Radical scavengers are substances that react with radicals to neutralize them. These include natural antioxidants and synthetic compounds used in food preservation and medicine. By removing radicals, scavengers help protect materials and living organisms from damage. Radical chemistry continues to be a vibrant field of research. Scientists are developing new ways to harness radicals for green chemistry, renewable energy, and advanced materials. The future holds exciting possibilities as we learn to better control and utilize these reactive species. Let's recap what we've learned. Radicals are species with unpaired electrons, making them highly reactive. They play crucial roles in chemistry, biology, industry, and the environment. While they can be dangerous, careful control allows us to harness their power for good. Understanding radicals is essential for science and technology. Radicals may be small, but their impact is enormous. From driving chemical reactions to influencing health and the environment, radicals are at the heart of many important processes. As research advances, our ability to understand and control radicals will continue to grow, opening up new frontiers in science and technology.